Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the power cord on your refrigerator. The reason why you might have to do this is because the power cord is damaged or because your fridge won't turn on. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4-inch nut driver, a razor knife, and a zip tie. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the refrigerator we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. So the first thing we have to do is we have to go behind our refrigerator. And right here you see our power cord. It goes in behind this cardboard guard right here. So we're going to have to take out all these screws. And we're going to use our 1/4-inch nut driver to do that. Now that all the screws are off, we can take off this foam guard here. And you'll see right down here, our power cord goes into this piece of insulation here. So we're going to have to cut this zip tie in order to get it out of there. Now we can move this insulation back a bit. And you'll see this is where the power cord plugs in. So all we have to do is lift up this tab and pull it out. Then we'll remove the insulation here. And we're going to have to unscrew the grounding wire here. There we go. And now we can unscrew this clamp that's holding the wire in place. And with that screw off, just separate the clamp there and pull the wire out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement power cord. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to slide this piece of insulation onto our power cord, just like how it was with the other one. We'll slide that all the way up and plug our power cord back in. And once that's plugged in, we'll slide the insulation back over that clip, just like that. Just to keep that secure, we'll get the zip tie and feed that through the 2 holes around the wire as well. And then we'll tighten it down. And then we can cut off the excess. Now we'll screw our grounding wire back in. Now we're going to put our clamp back on, and we'll close that up, and then we can screw that into place as well. Now we'll put our cardboard cover back into place, and slide that down underneath there. And we'll line up our screw holes as best as we can. And now we can screw everything back into place. And as you can see here, I didn't screw these on super tight. You want them a little bit loose, otherwise you're going to completely crush the insulation and the cardboard. and rip it. But after you've done that, we can spin our fridge back around and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.